Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to use the Lambda function to compute the compound interest using the compound interest formula. So to start with, here I have the principal amount, the rate, years, amount, and the compound interest. So we shall use this formula to calculate the amount. So that is where we are going to start. So we enter the equal signs, then you type lambda, then the first bracket. So the parameter here, the unknown values like principal P, the rate R, and N. So we shall type them in that order and separating them with commas. So here we type in P, comma, R, then comma, the small n, then comma. So now we input this formula. So we just type P times first bracket, then 1 plus R, then divide by 100. Since this is not yet expressed as a percent, so we divide by 100. Then close bracket, then raise this to power n. So we use the caret. So we press the caret, then type n, then close bracket. So then select that is input the first bracket again. So now we insert the values, that is the principal, rate, and the number of years. So to do that, we select this cell, comma, this cell, then comma, the cell here, which is C7, then close bracket, and then enter. So that gives you the amount invested after 8 years at 5%. So then here we have the compound interest, so which is equal to amount. So you select this cell minus the principal amount, then enter. So that gives you the compound interest. Then to get the rest of the value, so we select these two cells, then we double click, and therefore we have all the values. Now suppose this is already expressed as a percent. So let me remove this. So if this is expressed as 5%, and then here we have 10% and so on. So let me change the format there. So that is, we put the percentage, so this was 12.5%, so 15%, so then we have 18, so it is simply 18%. So we have 17.5%, and then we have 7.5%, and then we have maybe 9%, 11.5%. So maybe let me remove the decimals. so no decimals, so we say is okay. So if the percent is indicated there, then this would be the formula. So that is, now we shall not divide r by 100. So we say lambda, first bracket, then we have p, comma, r, comma, n, then comma. So now we put the formula p times first bracket, then we have 1 plus r. So now we don't divide by 100, we just say in brackets raised to power n. So the caret, then n, close bracket, then first bracket, select principal amount, comma the rate, then comma the years, then close bracket, and then enter. So you'll still get the same values. Then here now we have is equal to the amount minus the principal. Then I select the two cells, then double click to get the other values. So maybe here we have 12 years. So we have those values. So this formula, that is the lambda function, can work even better using the table, that is the Excel table. So for example, let us clear this, and then here we have 5, 10, 12.5, 15, 18, 17.5, then 7.5, 9, and then we have 11.5. And then we change this now to an Excel table. So to change to Excel table, you click insert, then click table. So you can also click inside this table, then press Ctrl T. Then a dialog box appear. So you're asked where is the data for your table. So it is selected there. Then my table has headers as shown there. So it has headers. So then you click OK. So now it is an Excel table. So we can remove the filter buttons. So then we input the formula here again. So is equal to lambda, then the parameters are p, that is the principal amount, comma, r, comma, small n, comma. So now we put the formula. So you arrange in the order in which they appear in the formula. So then we have the formula, so which is p times first bracket plus 1 plus r divided by 100, close bracket, then the caret, then we have n, so that is power n, close bracket. So now we select the values for these three parameters: principal, rate, and number of years. So you select that one, so in the order in which they appear in the formula as P, R, N, then comma, select this one, then comma, select also this one, I mean this, that is this one here. So that is C, it is simply C7. and then close bracket, and then first bracket, that is now close the bracket, and that is it. So then enter. So automatically it gives you the other values. So the same thing will happen to compound interest. So just put equal sign, then amount minus the principal. So if you enter, it gives you all other values. So that is the advantage of the table. So if you enter new values, they will appear automatically here. So let us see, for example, 150,000 for principal. Then maybe we have 3.5%. Then you have number of years, maybe there are 7, and automatically you have the answer. So as you enter values, so you get new values. So maybe 5%, 5.5. Then you have 14 years, and so on. So as you can see, the table is better than when you don't have the Excel table. So that is how we use the Lambda function to compute the compound interest using the compound interest formula. So thank you for watching my video. So please subscribe to my video, and see you in my next videos.